Hi friend, good morning everyone and welcome to the channel LS Hill YouTube channel. So today is the 5th June and as you know that today is the World Environment Day, and I am here in Dronacharya English Medium School, Sri Rampur. So this school has been organized a rally that you can see the banner, celebration of World Environment Day, organized by Dronacharya English Medium School. You can see. So I'm gonna show you the all the activities which has been organized here in this school.
You can stay on middle side one people. That's why I'm saying too.
Smile,
You will announce my middle side.
smile.
You will say slogan, don't.
Hi. What about you? Are you okay?
One chance. One earth, one chance. Safe earth, safe life. Safe earth, safe life. One earth, one chance. One earth, one chance.
Hello.
On road, we have to check the vehicle. Teachers, we have not check. Sir, we have to expect the last, sir. The teacher, we expect the last.
Yeah. Very good. Stay in the row, okay? Don't break the row.
मैं हूँ प्लास्टिक, देखो मेरे को। मैं हूँ इस दुनिया का राजा, देखो मेरे को। मैं हूँ प्लास्टिक। हा हा हा।
हमें प्लास्टिक का प्रयोग नहीं करना चाहिए, उसके बदले हमें कपड़े का थैला यूज करना चाहिए।
लेकिन मैं तो खाली हाथ जाऊंगा, प्लास्टिक बाजार से प्लास्टिक ले जाऊंगा। ये तो बहुत ईजी होता है।
हमें प्लास्टिक का यूज नहीं करना चाहिए। जोर से बोलो।
देखो देखो, ये भैया प्लास्टिक लेके जा रहा है।
भैया भैया
Louder, louder, louder.
कहाँ जा रहे हो? बाजार जा रहा हो। ये प्लास्टिक का यूज क्यों करते हो? प्लास्टिक बहुत आसान होता है, इसको इधर उधर नहीं फेंक सकते। पर हमें इसका प्रयोग नहीं करना चाहिए, इससे 1000 साल लग जाते हैं। अरे ये मैं करूँगा और ले लूँगी आपसे, नहीं करूँगा। क्या कर रहे हो?
प्लास्टिक जला रहा हूँ।
हमें ये नहीं जलाना चाहिए, इससे पोल्यूशन होगा और ये हमारे लिए बहुत हानिकारक है
लेकिन प्लास्टिक जलाने से संख्या बहुत कम होता है।
और इससे पोल्यूशन होता है। हमें इससे दूर रहना चाहिए।
नहीं जलाऊंगा। मैं प्लास्टिक का इससे पोल्यूशन कमेगा।
इससे पोल्यूशन कमेगा नहीं, इससे बढ़ता है वो। अगर आप इसे काटोगे तो फिर इससे मीथेन गैस निकलेगा, जिससे हम इससे प्लांट भी नहीं कर पाएंगे।
ओह सॉरी, मेरे को तो ये नहीं पता था। आज के बाद से मैं नहीं काटूंगा।
दादाजी कहाँ जा रहे हैं? मैं बाजार से आ रहा हूँ। आप ये कपड़े का धागा क्यों यूज करते हैं? ये बहुत अच्छा होता है, हम सबको यही बोलना चाहते हैं कि प्लास्टिक यूज ना करें। मैं सबको यही बोलना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन ये लोग मानते ही नहीं है। प्लास्टिक से बहुत पोल्यूशन होता है और इसे सड़ने में भी बहुत टाइम लगता है। हमारा पहले जमाने में कितना अच्छा था, सब बैग यूज करते थे कपड़ा का। अभी तो सब कोई प्लास्टिक का थैला यूज करते हैं।
environment, na?
No plastic, save environment. No plastic, save environment. No plastic. No plastic, save environment. Save environment. No plastic, save environment. No plastic, save environment. विश्व परिवेश दिवस की विश्व परिवेश दिवस की प्लास्टिक वर्जन करो, प्लास्टिक वर्जन करो, वर्जन करो।
ये वीडियो बनाने एड़ा भालो नहीं।
So guys, now we have the tree plantation program here, and the plantation is going on here. You can see.
Yeah, come.
The first tree has been planted by
Some more plant.
Jay Bharali sir. He has already planted the tree. This was the first tree that had been planted. So
अफसर हाथ में लिए अफसर
एक जगह रखो, कोई पैर लगा।
guys, I am going to plant this tree along with the principal of this school, the Dhanacharya English Medium School. Sir will help me to plant this tree.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, turn. Just in the banner. Sorry. Singing.
अंकल को देख।
Now let me have a some photos at there. All the sun will stand at there. We have that banner in the down of that. This one banner will be.
so guys, this is the principal of this Dhanacharya English Medium School, which is located in Srirampur. So today is the World Environment Day, and I will meet the sir and ask him something. Sir,
Don't like it.
as I have seen, there was many program in your school, but what do you want to express by doing this program, doing this drama and all the activities through your school? So what do you want to express?
First of all, happy Environment Day,
Yeah.
World Environment Day. So it's our honor to celebrate this type of programs. So this is nothing but awareness for all of them, because now we facing the problem of Sri Rampur. Now some days before, we have many plants nearby the roads, and while we get tired, we take some rest under the trees. Now when we have gone to rally, now we face that problem.
Yeah.
And what the problems we have faced, we not get the space to sit to take the race. So what is this? What we think is the development.
Yeah.
But in front of that development, environment getting spoiled or getting vanished. So it not to means once again. It not to be grown once again. As we know, if environment will be there, people will be there, human will be there. If there is no environment, nothing can be possible. So for our survival, we make support, we make the environment to be grow. It's not the requirement of the environment that environment will grow. It's our requirement for that environment to be grown. Because on the basis of the environment, we will live, we will survive, we can spend our life. Because oxygen is one of the most part of our life. Without oxygen, no one can survive. So from where we get the oxygen? We get the oxygen from our environment, from the trees, from the plants. So this is our initiative to aware all of the people, all the public, all of us, all the students, all of the public who are staying in Sri Rampur or maybe in the Sri Rampur, maybe in the outside. They must join together their hands to grow more and more plants, so that the earlier environment what we have in the earlier time, everywhere we see the greeneries, that must become once again within some few years after. Okay, this is our motto to make our environment more greenery.
So
Thank you. Okay.
thank you, sir.
Thank
Okay. So guys, I have enjoyed the day, the celebration of World Environment Day today. I have enjoyed this day with this student, these pupils of the Nacharia English Medium School, and I am very happy to be with them today. And I wish you all the best, and have a good day, and have a let's say your fulfill your dreams. Okay. Bye bye.
Like and subscribe.